Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna go over how to add a receipt to the Dunkin app. It's really easy and simple. First, you wanna go ahead and open up the Dunkin app and then go to the rewards section. Okay. Next, you wanna just scroll down and look for this option. Either missing points, you can go ahead and tap on that, or add a receipt. And then I want you to go ahead and select upload receipt. And just use your phone's camera to take a clear photo of that receipt. Okay, go ahead and do that, or you can upload an existing image. You just have to wait for about, 24 to 48 hours after you submit this for your points to actually be cleared into your account. So what basically happens is the Dunkin team reviews your receipt, and typically they add their points within this duration. And you can go ahead and check your Dunkin rewards balance under the rewards section. Okay, and it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.